Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create long rolling and credit using CapCut. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut application, and as you can see guys, I have prepared a black background for my rolling and credit. And first thing first, we need to add our credit to this project. You can go to text and then click on add text, and here I'm just going to paste the credit because I have already copied the credit to the clipboard. I'm just going to paste it, and this is my credit. And after we're done adding the credit to the project, we can click on this check mark option, and then you can zoom in or zoom out like this. And I'm just going to make it a little smaller, and then the longer credit you have, the longer video duration you need. So I'm going to extend the black background. This is just a picture, so I can make it longer like this. I'm just going to drag it. Okay, and then we can make this text align with our background like this. And then we're going to use keyframe to add the rolling effect to this credit. So this is the keyframe button. We're going to use it to create the rolling effect. For the first position, or for the start position, I'm going to drag it down like this. I'm going to make it out of frame and click on keyframe. And then for the last position, I'm going to drag it up like this. Then I'm going to make it out of frame as well. Okay, now it's done, and let's see the final result. Alright guys, and that's how you can create long rolling and credit using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.